3,000 subscribers. 3,000! Guys, 3,000 subscribers is a freaking big deal to me. It's taken a long ass time to get here, and the channel's growing, and I'm super excited, and thank you so much. And my gift to you today is Funfetti Vanilla Pudding Pops. You've got to have Funfetti in a celebration. And this is a celebration because it's 3,000! Okay, now that the kitchen is a mess, let's make Funfetti Pops. So what you're going to need is your ice cream molds, 2 cups of milk, half a cup of caster sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 eggs, some vanilla essence, and Funfetti. So first up, we're gonna mix the sugar, add corn flour, salt, a little bit of milk, and whisk until well combined. Then add the rest of the milk and your eggs and heat in the saucepan. Remove from the heat and add vanilla paste, vanilla pod, or vanilla extract, whatever you have. And now set aside and let it cool slightly. Now for the fun part. The Funfetti goes into your popsicle mold and put tons in, as many and as much as you have. Now add the cooled vanilla pudding into your popsicle molds and then pop it into the freezer. And now, popsicle time. Funfetti Vanilla Pudding Pops for you guys. Thanks for the 3,000 subscribers. And go tell your friends to subscribe. Please, come on, let's grow this channel together. And if you want some more delicious popsicles, check out the videos around the screen somewhere. I don't know where I'm gonna put them, but there's amazing stuff there. And happy watching and happy licking. 3,000! Did I get you there? It was like spontaneous little. Okay, now that the kitchen is a mess, let's make Funfetti Pops.